Yo, what's good, guys? KosherTech here. So today, you know, we got some more Chinese RGB fans to review, y'all. And listen, calm down on this. It's not Chinese, it's Korean, it's Taiwanese, it's Japanese, it's, son, they all Chinese RGB fans, all right? They're all made in, where is it? Damn it, I usually get it on the box. Where is it? Oh, this some say Germany, son. This ain't... calm down, coach. They all made in China. But anyways, these are the EZDIY. Son, I hate this flipping box, bro. These are the slim. These are the Moonlight or Moonlight, the white ones though. But these are the white ones. I did review the other ones. I made in China. There you go. Made in China. I caught it. Made in China. But anyways, so these are it. I'll have everything in the description below. Whatever I missed about these fans, because there's no specs, anything on the box. You cop them for a 6-pack. They come in white and black. You cop them for a 6-pack. The white ones are actually really new. I think they were released in December. You cop them for a 6-pack. Excuse me. You cop them for a 6-pack for 50 bucks. They're not the version. I don't know if they have multiple versions, man. So the version which I got, it's not PWM. It's 1300 RPM, which is not that bad. But I gotta say, look, these shits cost $50, $40, $30, $20. I don't care as a consumer, right? As well as a product reviewer. I want the product looking nice. Give me some nice literature. Same thing I have complained with the other EZDIY, same ones I reviewed. Same thing I have complained about Asiahorse. Like, guys, give us a nice presentation on the box. You know, this is no bueno, son. This is no bueno. But anyways, without further ado, the box is absolutely whack. I give the box -1, son. All right, let's pop them out. Anyways, what we got? We got a hub over here, ain't a magnetic. We have this 3M tape via SATA, which is nice, and we have the 3-pin ARGB. We have the remote control right over here. You know what time it is. We do this nicely. All right. So you get a bunch of screws. I'm gonna go over the connections and everything right now, guys. Let's just, you know, let's do it as always. A nice presentation unboxing. So we have basically the user manual here. Let's see. I got it. Here it's mostly in Mandarin or what is it, Mandarin? Or is it Taiwanese Mandarin? I don't know, man. My American immigrant mind is not there right now. But anyways, very simple breakdown. Not a good breakdown actually. Like, if I'm new, I don't know what all this means. Basically tells you it supports Gigabyte, supports Asus. It doesn't support. Okay, so it doesn't support basically the RGB with the 4. Again, I'm going to show you guys everything right now. It has all different speeds, but anyways, not a good presentation whatsoever with this. Let me see if I have one more fan. I got one more fan in here. Let's put that in there. The remote control, basic Chinese remote control. Man, this is terrible Chinese. Look, again, look. Oh my God, you youngins out there are gonna tell me, Kosher, you're going too hard. Make sure you just pull this out. You're gonna see a red light. You straight. This is whack. Like. All right, so these are basically all the solid colors you're gonna get. So if all you cats are gonna ask me, this is the remote control. Peep it, right? These are all the solid colors. You see all these colors right here in the bottom? These are all solid colors that you could get. All right. So we got pink, green, white, blue, baby blue, orange, or lighter orange, yellow. But anyways, right here we got auto speed. We have off. We have brightness adjustment. We have different modes, and we have LED slow, and we have on and off. That's basically it with the remote control. Now I'm going to talk about the hub as well. With the fans, the white looks dope. I got to say, man, the white looks nice. We have a nice LED ring over here. I believe the fans themselves, yes, the fans themselves should light up. And we have a nice LED ring going all around. The fans look nice, I got to say. Check this out. The white looks nice. This is what I'm talking about. The white looks dope, man. And the white paddings as well are pretty dope. These right here, the white paddings, the white paddings right here are pretty fire. But with these white paddings over time, they're gonna get essentially, you know, a bit yellow. But it is what it is. For me, it gets it because, you know, I constantly move these fans and test them out. But if you're just gonna have them like that, most likely not. But nice design, I gotta say. It feels good. It does not feel like it's $50 for a 6-pack. It feels actually really good. It feels premium. Like I said, LED ring. There's no LED ring here, so we have LED ring in the outer. We have a LED. I want to say LEDs out here in the inner, and then the fan itself should actually light up with LEDs. This is really, really nice. But let's talk about the install guide now. So this is a six pin, oh my God, a 6-pin proprietary cable. Now, what I think is this 6-pin could work with any, I want to say Chinese RGB fan hub, with your Asiahorses, with your, I'm just looking around what I got, with your dark flashes. What else do I review? Basically with the I think Montech, no, Montech is actually not that, but mostly with all your basically 6-pin connectors, it's gonna work. So like I said, this is SATA powered. Let me just take all this out, make my life a lot easier. So, like I said, this is SATA powered. We have this 3-pin, right, ARGB, right? So what this basically, this 3-pin, right, 3-pin ARGB header is, right, this is for your addressable RGB. So on your motherboard, make sure there's 1 pin, and then there's basically that's gonna be a slot that has no pin, and there's gonna be 2 pins, right? So that means your MOBO is compatible with an addressable header. So you could just put this in your motherboard. Now, if your motherboard doesn't have that, if it has 4 pins just sticking out saying RGB usually in the bottom, that means it's not compatible. You can get an adapter, right, which I reviewed. I'll have that in the description below. But that adapter essentially is gonna make the colors, that adapter is gonna make the colors RGB, right, not addressable. So you're not gonna mostly get that rainbow effect. What else? So the adhesive here, so we have up to 10 fans. So everything is numbered, which is nice. So we have 1 through 5, and then 6 through 10, which is dope. Also, we have 2 LEDs. So we have LED 1 and LED 2. So these 2, you could add on LED light strips, which is pretty dope. You get that option. What is this for? Okay, I did this. Just want to make sure. But anyways, very simple. Install process is very simple. Just line them up. 1 through 5, just put them in order. Put the 6-pin into here, snap, that's it, it's on, and just put them, you know, how many ever fans you have. You have 10 fans, put, you know, just connect them, and that's it. Put this via your SATA for your power that's coming out from your power supply. It has the, what do you call it? It has, I want to say a male SATA, so you're just going to put both of them together. Male or, yeah, well, it has a female SATA. This is male, so you're going to connect both of them for power, and that's basically it. Very simple installation process. You get a bunch of screws. So what I want to do now, let's test them out. Let's get the ghetto paper towel test installed. Let's do noise testing, and overall, let's just see how these bad boys, how these Chinese RGB fans actually look. Let's go. All right, guys. So the ghetto paper towel test is a full go. Now, this is running at their maximum RPM, which is 1300. As you can see, it's pushing, you know, decent amount of air, 1300 RPM worth of air. Like I said, this is their maximum RPM. Now, what I want to do is just listen to it, as well as look at the decibel meter. Let's go. They're not really that loud whatsoever at 1300 RPM, as they shouldn't be. I don't hear no bearing noise whatsoever. Like I said, it does do a decent job at 1300 RPM. Usually for me, I have my fans running anywhere between 12 to 1500 RPM. That's where I like them. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. If you do decide to go with them, this is how much air it pushes. I personally think it is fine. But anyways, let's run through some RGBs. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's run through the RGB colors. Now I gotta say, these EZDIY fans, man, the white is beautiful. Like I showed you guys earlier in the unboxing, remember I said that the rings, the white rings, all basically light up, and the fans light up themselves. It's dope. These things are actually beautiful. They would compete with the FS-9002s, man. The Asiahorse FS-9002s. These are some nice white fans. But anyways, let's run through the brightness first. So this is on white on max brightness. Now let's turn it down a bit. All right, so this is on the lowest brightness setting, and of course you could turn them off, turn them back on, and let's put them back to max. And then let's run through all the solids. So right now this is on max brightness. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. So this is on white, this is on green, pink or purple, I want to say. I think that's mostly pink. Pink looks pretty hot. This is blue, like a teal color. This is more of a baby blue. This is orange. yellow, a different yellow, and a different yellow. This is purple or blue. Man, I think they messed up the colors here. I think this is blue. This looks more blue. And this is green. And this is red. So those are all the solid colors, guys. And now, of course, let's do auto. This is rainbow. Rainbow looks sick, man. Shit looking nice. Like I said, the colors themselves, I'm gonna get up for a sec. The ring, right? The ring lights up, as well as the fan lights up, as well as the other side of the ring lights up too. It's insane. And I have it basically going with my Asiahorse RGB RAM heat sinks. Bruh, it is nice. It is absolutely nice. So let's run through them. So you have this effect. You have this effect. And then you can speed them up and slow them out. Slow them down, you know, typical Chinese style. With these fans. We have this effect. We have this effect. And basically, it just keeps on going and going and going. You can basically play with a bunch of these effects. You know what I'm saying? But remember, I am using a remote control. I'm not using the ARGB functionality. I'm using the hub's built-in RGB functionality. But yeah, it's like plenty of effects, guys. I mean, you can run through them and just, you know, pick whichever ones you love. But damn, they look so nice, man. I gotta say, the white addition to these fans are fire. Are absolutely fire. There's nothing wrong for me to say. I just wish they had, you know, they went up to at least 1500 or 1600 RPM. But damn, they look so nice, man. Absolutely beautiful. And there's a lot of effects too. And of course, the RGB heat sinks work with them as well, so that's dope. So, but yeah, you get plenty of effects. I mean, what if we just turn it to like this effect and put like fast, right? So these make the LED rings go faster. This will make it go slower. But that's it. I mean, damn, the RGB looks, the rainbow RGB looks nice. But yeah, guys, I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I would definitely recommend these fans in white. They look so sick. They push decent amount of air for 1300 RPM. Listen, for a 6-pack for 50 bucks, bruh, I can't say anything wrong about them. I mean, the other ones, you know, I kind of, you know, put a deuce on them, but with these, gotta say, man, they're pretty fire, man. The white ones are pretty dope. But anyways, let me know what you cats think in the comments below, guys. I'm KosherTech. I'm gonna catch you cats next time. Deuces.